Hello everyone. In this video, we shall discuss some standard real function and their graph. So, dear children, in some standard real function, we have already discussed identity function, constant function, and modulus function and their graph. And today, I am here going to continue some standard function from signum function. Okay, the next type function I will discuss signum function. Okay, signum function, signum function. Okay children. Okay, so children, the function f, okay, the function f from R to R defined by fx equal to 1 0 minus 1 x greater than 0, x equal to 0, x less than 0 is called the signum function. Okay, is called the signum function. This is, remember that signum function, the function f from real number to real number defined by fx equal to 1 x greater than 0, 0 x at x equal to 0, minus 1 at x less than 0 is called signum function. Okay, children. Now the domain of the signum function, domain of the signum function is all real number. Okay, all real number and range equal to okay, here we see that for all x greater than 0 we will get the value of the function 1, and at x equal to 0 and every x less than 0 the value of the function is minus 1. Okay, so we can say range of the signum function minus 1 0 1. Okay, the range of the signum function is minus 1 0 and 1. Okay, now how to locate the graph of the signum function? So let me drawing the graph of signum function. So first draw two mutually perpendicular line, okay, which is perpendicular to x axis. Horizontal line x represent x dash x and vertical line y and y dash. This is origin. Okay, and dividing in equal part. This is 1 2 3 4 and here is 1 2 minus 1. This is minus 3 minus 4 and so on. And this is the value of 1 on y axis, and this is the value of minus y, minus 1 on y axis. negative y is. Okay, so at 0, okay, at 0 the value, the range of the function is 0. Okay, and next, for any value after than 0, so means 0.1, the value is also 1, is equal to 1. Okay, so this is 1. So here at 1 equal to 1, also the at 2 equal to value is 1, 3, 1, 4, 1. Okay, so here joining this point, so we a straight line which is parallel to x-axis is obtained, and similarly minus 1 is minus, okay, minus 1 is minus 1, minus 2 is minus 1, and here is minus 1 at 4. Again joining these point, so a straight line is obtained which is parallel to the x-axis. Okay, so these are the graph of signum function. Okay, this is the graph of signum function. Clear to everybody? Okay, now I am going to discuss the next function is greatest integer function. Okay, so greatest integer function, greatest integer function, this is also called floor function. Okay, greatest integer function or floor function. So dear children, greatest integer function is denoted by square bracket or this symbol. Okay, this is remembered that greatest integer function or floor function is denoted by this and this symbol. Okay, and this means, okay, or suppose for any real number x, the greatest integer function is denoted by the symbol square bracket x or this is in this symbol, and this means smallest integer. Okay, this means greatest integer less than or equal to x. Greatest integer less than or equal to x. Okay, greatest integer less than or equal to x. Okay, let us take an example to understand this concept very clearly. What is a greatest integer function? Okay, for any value, here the value of x taking 1.9. So the value of the greatest integer function 1.9. Here greatest integer less than or equal to x means 1.9 is greatest integer less than or equal to 1.9. So less than or equal to 1.9, the integer is 1. Clear? And similarly for 2.8, so greatest integer function 2.8 less than or equal to 2.8 is 2. Clear? And many more. We see many more example like 2.99. So this is equal to 2. Okay, and also taking minus 1.9 minus 1.9. So greatest integer less than or equal to minus 1.9 equal to minus 2. Okay, and minus 0.9 equal to minus 1. But exact at the exact value means 2 at 2 equal to 2 or 3 equal to 3. Okay. So this is greatest integer function. And now if you ask what is its domain and range, so this is very clear from the example. The domain of the greatest integer function is all real number. Okay, clear? It's all real number, but range is okay. For any real number, greatest integer becomes integer. Okay, greatest integer function become integers. So here we can say the range of the greatest integer function is integer. Okay, integer, and as we know, integer is denoted by symbol j. Clear? Okay. Now, how to look at the graph of integer, greatest integer function? So we have to plotting the graph of greatest integer function. So this is x dash, y dash. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, children. So here we see for any value from 0. Okay, for any value 0.1 to 0.9, the greatest integer function is 0. Okay, so and at 1 equal to exactly 1 equal to 1. So at 1 we make a hole and draw the graph. Here a straight line. Okay, and again from any value 1.1 to 1.9, the greatest integer function is become 1. Okay, so the graph is this is okay, at 1 is 1, at 2 is 2, so we make whole, and similarly from any value of 2.1 to 2.9, the value of the function is 2. Okay, so this is okay, and similarly clear children? Okay, and here at any value of 0 minus 0.1 to 0.9. Okay, so this look at here. Okay, so at minus 1, this is at 0 is 0, and this is, and similarly this and this and here. Okay, so this is the graph of greatest integer function. I hope this is clear how to make it. Okay, with the help of this example we have to make. As we know, any value from 0.1 to minus any value of minus 0.1 to 0.9. Okay, greatest integer function become 1. Clear? And similarly any value for minus 2.1 to minus 2.9 is equal to 2. So by using the concept of greatest integer function, we have to draw the graph. Okay, okay children, and next smallest integer function. Smallest integer function. Smallest integer function, and this is also called ceiling function. Okay, smallest integer function, and this is called ceiling function. Okay, ceiling function. This is okay. So dear children, for any real number x, the smallest integer function or ceiling function is defined by x or by this symbol. Okay, for any real number, the smallest integer function is defined by the symbol this, and this means smallest integer less than or equal to x. Okay, less than or equal to x. Okay, for example, if we write 2.9, so here smallest integer less than or smallest integer less than, okay, here main mistake, smallest integer greater than or equal to x. Okay, greater than or equal to x. So 2.9, the value of 2.9 is greater than or equal to x. So 2.9 become 3, and 3.9 is 4, and similarly minus 1.9 is minus 1 and at 2 equal to 2. Okay, and again the domain is real number but range is integer. Okay, the domain of the smallest integer function is real number and range is integer, and the smallest integer function and greatest integer function is also called step function. And similarly we have to draw the graph like the greatest integer function. So I hope we will do it. Okay.